say your name. Come back to me, come back to me. I'm still on the line. Come back to me, come back to me. One more little sign. Your hoodie still smells like cheap hotel soap. I left it in the back like I left you hope. price to buy. Empty motel mall, I keep going back. Empty motel mall, where your heart went black. Hold me one more time and let me drive. Empty motel mall keeps me alive. If I slow down, I feel it. Every word you hid from me. The road turns into silence, and it swallows my engine key. So I chase the taillights till they blur into a scene. Empty motel mall, I keep going back. Empty motel mall, where your heart went black. Hold me one more time and let me drive. Empty motel mall keeps me alive. Empty motel mall, I keep going back. Your coat still hangs in my hall. Salt on the collar, cold from your call. I left your key by the sink. Still hear you laughing the clink. I took the long way home. Pale road glow on the chrome. Your name on the dashing glass, like it knew you'd never last. And I know we were burning slow. Now the whole town's asleep, but it won't let me go. Rearview hearts, rearview hearts, still breaking in the dark. Rearview hearts, rearview hearts, you left a spark. I drive on with your ghost in the stereo. Rearview hearts, rearview hearts, I can't let you go. You moved out by the river bend, boxed up the blue, left a dent. I found your ring in the tray, held it like it knew your face. Rain on the windshield beads, fading like a bad 3D dream. I call your name at the light, then I swallow it tight. And I know we were burning slow. Now the whole town's asleep, but it won't let me go. Rearview hearts, rearview hearts, still breaking in the dark. Rearview hearts, rearview hearts, you left a spark. I drive on with your ghost in the stereo. hangs by the door, like you might come back for more. I left your ring in the tray. It catches dusk and drifts away. Dash says 129. Headlights smear across my mind. I keep your last text on red, a bruise I can't unthread. And the miles feel thin tonight. Every turn says your name. I'm still holding the frame of the way you said goodbye. Drive me through the blue haze. Don't let this fade away. Hold me in the backseat till the morning steals your shade. Moonlit mileage, moonlit mileage. I keep circling your name. At the gas stop by the bay, I watched the river lose its gray. Your laugh came out of the static, soft and sharp and cinematic. I try to sing to the rain, but it only speaks your pain. The windshield fills with your ghost, and the red light leaves me close. And the miles feel thin tonight. Every turn says your name. I'm still holding the frame of the way you said goodbye. Drive me through the blue haze. Don't let this fade away. Hold me in the backseat till the morning steals your shade. Moonlit mileage, moonlit mileage. I keep circling your name. If I miss you loud in the hush between the towns. I was never good at staying when your love was starting to drown. Drive me through the blue haze. Don't let this fade away. Hold me in the backseat till the morning steals your shade. where we split the pie. You said don't wait up, I didn't ask why. Now the moon hangs low on my bed top hood. I'd turn this whole night if I only could. Hold me in the dark, hold me in the dark. Don't let me drift too far. Jacket still on my seat, soft rain on the windshield glass. I left the meter running just to keep one reason here. Your name on the receipt line, still folded in my dash. I take the long way home past the closed down diner sign. silence, and it swallows my engine key. So I chase the I keep going back. Coat still hangs in my hall. Salt on the collar, cold from your call. I left your key by the sink. Still hear you laugh and clink. I took the long way home. Pale road glow on the chrome. Your name on the dashing glass, like you knew you'd never last. And I know we were burning slow. Now the whole town's asleep, but it won't let me go. Rearview hearts, still breaking in the dark. Rearview hearts, you left a spark. I drive on, with your ghost in the stereo. Rearview hearts, I can't let you go. You moved out by the river bend, boxed up the blue, left a dent. I found your ring in the tray, held it like I knew your face. Rain on the windshield beats, fading like a bad 3D dream. I call your name at the light, then I swallow it tight. And I know we were burning slow. Now the whole town's asleep, but it won't let me go. Rearview hearts, still breaking in the dark. Rearview hearts, you left a spark. I drive on, with your ghost in the stereo. Rearview hearts, I can't let you go. If you ever feel this road, if you ever hear this song, I kept the best of us, even after you were gone. One more I let it go, but I feel it still. And I roll through the rain, same lane, same pain. Your name on my tongue won't leave when it's done. Broken mile, broken mile. I keep you there a while. Broken mile, broken mile. My heart won't change its style. I passed that store with the red awning, where you laughed at me one early morning. Now every turn feels like your goodbye, like a black river under my eyes. And I roll through the rain, same lane, same pain. Your name on my tongue won't leave when it's done. Broken mile, broken mile. I keep you there a while. Broken mile, broken mile. My heart won't change its style. Say it plain, did you stay just to break me slow? I still chase your ghost in the places I know. Broken mile, broken mile. I keep you there a while. Broken mile, broken mile. My heart won't change its style. Your coat still hangs by the door, like you might come back for more. I left your ring in the tray. It catches dusk and drifts away. Dash says 129. Lights smear across my mind. I keep your last text on red, like a bruise I can't unthread. And the miles feel thin tonight. Every turn says your name. I'm still holding the frame of the way you said goodbye. Drag me through the blue haze. Don't let this fade away. Hold me in the backseat till the morning steals your towns. I was never good at staying when your love was starting to drown. Drive me through the blue